In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Substack with Squarespace. If you run your newsletter on Substack, but host your website on Squarespace, adding a sign-up form to your site is a simple way to turn visitors into subscribers. We'll take the official embed code from Substack and place it into your Squarespace page so people can join your list without leaving your site. Start by opening your Substack Writer dashboard. From the left side menu, go to Settings, then find the section labeled Growth Features. In there, look for the option called Embed Sign-up Form. Substack will display a ready-made HTML snippet that includes everything needed to render a subscription form. Depending on your publication settings, you may see a few style or layout choices. Pick the one that best fits your site's design. Then copy the entire HTML code to your clipboard. This snippet connects directly to your Substack, so any email collected will flow straight into your subscriber list. Next, switch over to Squarespace. Log in, navigate to the page where you want the form to appear, and click Edit. Think about placement for maximum visibility right under your Hero section, in a prominent content block. Or near the end of a blog post are all effective spots. Add a code block in that location. Note that using custom code usually requires a business plan or higher on Squarespace. If you are on a lower plan, the code block may not be available or the form might not render on the live site. Open the code block and paste the Substack HTML you copied. You don't need to change anything in the snippet itself. But you can add a short headline or description around the block in Squarespace to tell visitors what they'll receive by subscribing. When you are done, apply the changes, then save or publish the page. Preview your site on desktop and mobile. The Substack form should load right away. If it doesn't appear, double-check that you pasted the entire snippet and that you placed it in a standard content area rather than a restricted section. If spacing looks off, adjust the section padding or alignment in Squarespace so the form feels integrated with the rest of your design. To recap, grab the Embed Sign-up Form code from Substack under Settings and Growth Features. Then in Squarespace add a code block to your chosen page and paste the snippet. That's it, your website now collects subscribers directly into Substack. Thanks for watching.